Hey friends, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your go-to channel for the smartest kitchen gadgets, tools, and appliances that actually make your life easier. Now, let me ask you this. What's better than walking into your kitchen and being greeted by the smell of fresh, warm bread straight out of the oven? The truth is, with the right bread maker, you don't need to be a professional baker or spend hours kneading dough by hand. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best bread makers of 2025, machines that combine technology, convenience, and versatility to bring bakery-quality loaves right into your home. Whether you're craving gluten-free, whole wheat, or even specialty artisan-style loaves, these bread makers are built to handle it all. From programmable timers and customizable crust settings to sleek designs that fit perfectly on your countertop, these are the tools that make home baking simple and enjoyable. I've added the latest and best Amazon deals for every product featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Number 5. Zojirushi BB-PDC20BA Home Baker Virtuoso Plus. The Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus is widely considered the gold standard in home bread baking, and for good reason. This premium bread maker delivers professional-level loaves up to 2 pounds, thanks to its innovative dual heating system that ensures perfectly browned crusts and evenly baked bread every single time. What sets it apart is the 13 pre-programmed menu options, covering everything from gluten-free and whole wheat loaves to specialty doughs like sourdough starter or even cake batter. Inside, dual kneading blades work the dough more thoroughly than single paddle models, giving your bread a smoother texture and more consistent rise. It's also built with convenience in mind, an intuitive LCD display, customizable crust colors, and a delay timer that lets you wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread. While it is on the heavier side, users love the durability, reliability, and set-it-and-forget-it operation. For serious bread lovers, this machine brings bakery perfection straight to your kitchen. Number 4. Cuisinart CBK110 Compact Automatic Bread Maker. For those short on space but unwilling to compromise on quality, the Cuisinart CBK110 is a compact powerhouse. Despite its smaller footprint, it offers customizable loaf sizes up to 2 pounds, 3 crust settings, and a dozen pre-programmed functions. You can bake white, wheat, artisan, or even gluten-free bread with precision. One of its best features is the 12-hour delay start option, so you can prepare your ingredients the night before and enjoy fresh bread in the morning without lifting a finger. Its sleek stainless steel design looks modern on any countertop, and the removable kneading paddle makes cleanup painless. While compact, it still delivers consistent baking results, perfect for couples, small families, or anyone who wants home-baked bread without a bulky appliance. Number 3. Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker. Affordable, practical, and reliable, the Amazon Basics Bread Maker is the ideal entry point for beginners or busy households. With 14 settings, it can bake everything from classic loaves and gluten-free recipes to pizza dough and jam. The 2-pound capacity makes it versatile enough for families, while its non-stick interior ensures quick release and easy cleaning. An LCD control panel with simple push-button functionality means there's no learning curve. You just add your ingredients, select your program, and let the machine do the rest. For under-the-radar reliability, this model punches above its weight. It may not have all the bells and whistles of pricier machines, but for everyday use, it's a cost-effective choice that consistently delivers good bread. Number 2. Ospodo 2LB Bread Maker Machine. If convenience is your top priority, the Ospodo 2LB Bread Maker is designed for hands-off baking. With 17 automatic programs and 3 loaf sizes, it adapts to virtually any bread recipe. The standout feature here is its 15-hour programmable timer and 1-hour keep warm function, which means you can prep at night and wake up to freshly baked bread in the morning. Its stainless steel build not only looks modern, but also ensures durability and easy cleaning with its non-stick interior. Low-noise operation makes it kitchen-friendly even for small apartments, and users love how reliable the results are with minimal effort. If you want bakery-quality bread on autopilot, this machine has you covered. Number 1. Elite Gourmet EBM8103M Programmable Bread Maker. At the top of our list is the Elite Gourmet EBM8103M, a truly versatile all-in-one bread maker that makes baking foolproof. With 19 preset functions, it lets you bake everything from white and rye loaves to gluten-free and French bread. You can choose between 3 loaf sizes, 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds, to match your family's needs, and the compact mint green design adds a stylish pop to your countertop. This model excels in customization. You can adjust crust darkness, set timers, and even prepare dough for pizza or rolls. The nonstick bread pan ensures easy release, and the intuitive interface makes it beginner-friendly while still offering advanced flexibility. Users love how consistent it is. No failed loaves, no stress, just great bread every single time. For its mix of versatility, design, and performance, it's our #1 pick for 2025. So there you have it, the top 5 bread makers of 2025. Whether you're new to baking or looking to upgrade your current machine, these bread makers bring the bakery right into your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest reviews and kitchen guides. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite kind of bread to bake at home? Thanks for watching, and happy baking!